Decided to take the risk and buy these even after seeing some negative reviews. Both replacements came carefully packaged. The range is not as good as the original remote, but still works within a nice distance, especially if you hold it up near your head area. The remotes came with simple instructions. It was fast and easy to program. I highly recommend this product. I bought a set of 2 for my 2003 Ford F-150 at a cost of $10,000. I would have gave these 5 stars if it were not for the instructions being not clear and incomplete. When you program them you have to do them at the exact same time, because if you do one and then you do the second one separately it why. But keep in mind these instructions are for my 2003 Ford F-150 and they may be different for your make, model and year vehicle. Regardless of the vehicle, the programming steps will be similar, but be sure to do them both at the very same time, not separately, for them both to be successfully programmed. They worked great. These come with the chip internals and include a battery. They also came with instructions on how to program them. The plastic does seem a little bit more brittle than the original OEM fob, but that's to be expected since these are a tenth of the cost. I did not notice any noticeable difference in the range of disarming the doors. I have been using this product over 30 days now and it's still doing great. Now I have a spare fob for my spare key as well. Would definitely recommend this product. Update. Just wanted to provide a quick update. If you start experiencing issues with the fob not responding as quickly anymore, replace the battery. Mine were slowly starting to not respond to my commands after a couple months use, and I thought, must be because they're cheap Amazon fobs. Not true, I replaced the battery and they worked flawlessly again. They must include cheaper batteries to cut costs. I can't blame them honestly for the overall price. It came in on time and works great and matches the color of my truck. The key hubs are great. They come with programming instructions. Programming takes only 10 seconds. Work great. Do not recommend it. I used as a replacement for my old remote due to the keyring piece broken off by previous owner. So all I did was do the switcheroo. Since they were both similar remotes, was very easy to take the old one out and put it in the new casing. Like I said, not recommended unless you know what you're doing. I couldn't figure out how to get it to program at first, then did a little more searching and found that you have to do all 8 rotations within 10 seconds. Programmed perfectly after that. My lock, alarm set button was broken and I am thrilled to be able to lock the doors and set my alarm again. Highly recommend this product. Came sooner than expected and exactly what I needed. Great product, exactly like the factory fob. Super easy to program for my 2005 F-150. It only took 30 seconds. Great product, glad I bought it. Packaged very nice, they look good. I bought these for my husband since his clicker is broke. Will update if it does work for his F-250, which I really hope it does. Click link in description for more reviews.